Hello. It is cold today, so I have made myself some tea. I'm gonna do some stitching a little later on. That's mostly all I've got planned for today, apart from my advent. But I wanted to set up the camera really quick because I found something else to show you. So hang on, I need some tea. Nope, that is too hot. Okay. So I forgot to get something out of my ornament box. I had totally forgotten these things were in there because I didn't unpack my ornaments last year either. So a couple years ago, my mom gave me something that she had inherited, and I remembered them last night and tried to figure out why I hadn't seen them in a couple years. And it's because they were hiding wrapped up underneath some cheap, cheesy glitter plastic dollar store angels in my ornament box. So I went and grabbed them real quick, and I just really thought you'd like to see them because they are really, really great. So we have this little guy, this little girl, and another little one, little angel, and oops, come here. A little hugging Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Although I do sometimes wonder if they should be hugging something else. Oh, it looks like, I think he had a bag and that's broken, but that's okay. That's just, there we go. Yeah, they're like from the 50s or 60s and totally had forgotten about them for the last couple years. So I'm going to find a spot for them. I have already been shuffling a couple things around. I've been finding a couple other things and just, nitpicking here and there about what I want where. But I just wanted to show you those real quick. And now I'm going to open my advent. So today's advent is another craft ornament. And the box has mistletoe. So fingers crossed that this one will be as nice as the first day. So far, that's been the best one. And it's a wreath. And it's felt. Oh, okay, this one's going to be fun. So I don't think it's just because the felt feels like a better quality ornament than paper or foam or cardboard, but like there's also a lot more I'm going to be able to do with that, like putting the little balls all over. So yay, finally another one that should actually be fun and feel like something that I can permanently have for my tree. So I might do that in a little bit. I really want some of this tea though. Oh, hi buddy. How are you? And then I don't know where I put the ornament. Oh, where did I put that hoop? Did I put it in the cross stitch box, buddy? So I got to work on his ornament, but I do need to find the threads. And now he's going to like get all cozy and I'm ready to stop the camera. Are you going to purr in the mic? Hi. Ooh, staticky. It's too dry in here. Do I have to go back to storage again and get my humidifier? You think I can just like do the ornament just sitting here? They can't see anything, but I might be able to try. Yes, I fall into the trap of, oh no, a cat sat on me and now I'm trapped until the end of time. All right, so we've got, again, 2 layers of regular foam and sticky back foam, but it's sticking to my dry skin. There's several rows of cutout. So it looks like the middle one stays out, and that's where the pom-poms go. Hi, sweet boy. Hi. Hi, you're on the microphone. Which way? Can I hold it up so they can have a chance of seeing something? Now, the stocking had a front and a back, which took me a while. Okay, we got it lined up. Doing a craft project with a cat in my lap. No. You're gonna mess me up. No! You made it stick. I wasn't ready. Oh, shoot. I gotta get the hanger in here before I seal it all the way. This one's a bit trickier to keep lined up. Oh, is that how you do it? You just pull my whole arm and then you get... I'm not lined up at all. So, I don't know if I dare put all these on with him in my lap. The only reason I sat down was to show you these cute little things. What are they? Flambro bone china. There he goes. Okay. All right, we got these gals here. Little snowman here. Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Well, that's upsetting. I spent so much time trying to space out all the glue dots precisely. There was like one less on the sticker sheet than could have fit, so I assumed they gave me the correct number. But no, I am all out of pom-poms, and the bow goes here. And so I've been trying to like pull this off so I can stick it there and just like put the bow here instead. Maybe I could just do that. I don't know. I meant to count. I thought I counted. But for something that's supposed to be like such a no-brainer as these projects, they made me use my brain. All right, well... Those glue dots are much stronger than I thought they were going to be, because usually it's really hard to get anything to stick to felt and pom-poms. And like it shredded. So it's okay. But like it just is a bummer for like one of the two that I like to be messed up. There are still the... sequins stickers that I just dropped on the ground. Again, I don't know that I'm going to bother. I'm not like a sequin kind of person, and I feel like I want to use them on something else. I think this is fine without them, but maybe I'll change my mind later. Anyway, that's today's Advent. This is right behind my chair where I usually spend all of my time, and this I think is where my threads might be. So I just was going to show you because this is like one of my favorite things. I have these magazine racks. I have at least 3 or 4 of them spread all around, and they are great for holding not only books, but projects. So that's where this is. Really need to get on that. And I'm going to see if my threads are down there. So that is, I tossed it back in here, but that is where that has been, as well as the pattern. So we've got a plastic sleeve. I might need that. I like to put my patterns in there. There we go. Black thread number 1 and black and green thread. Oh, dusty. Okay, I gotta clean that off, but got my threads, and I'm gonna clean this out since I have it empty. So last night I did do some stitching on my Toby ornament. Here is a Toby for reference. Yeah, hi. And I only got this far because I made the mistake of watching something I wanted to look at. So I didn't actually do any of this stitching while I was watching the show that I was watching. I did it all in silence afterwards. So, but this is the entirety of this color. And so the next color will have some really simple spots because I just got to fill in the blanks. And I didn't clarify, so I'm doing 2 tones of black, sort of. That color is actually 30310, so it's basically just a shiny version of black. And then I'm going to do the other part in the regular black and hope that, you know, it catches the shine the same way his stripes do. Although there is actually another color. There's supposed to be, yeah, like the, let me take it out. So the cat's like paws and belly are a lighter color. So I think I'm gonna have to go shop my stash and see if I can find something that's almost black. I might have a good option, but we'll have to shop my stash, I think, in a little bit for that. But first, I'm gonna just finish up this color and then see where I am tonight, because I get easily distracted. So, what do you think, buddy? Hi. And I'm a bit bummed because we have a customer who every year makes all of the staff at my work caramel corn, and she brought it in today, and I was really looking forward to, you know, binging on some caramel corn while finishing up this cross stitch. And I got halfway home on my 25-minute drive in bad roads, snowy, slushy roads, before I realized I left it at work. And then tomorrow is my day off, so I'm not going to be able to have it tomorrow either, because I won't be making that drive unless I can find an additional reason to go in. So that's a bit of a bummer. Anyway, before I continue stitching and look for another shade of black, I think I'm gonna do my advent. Yeah? Your claws are like, ow, 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 ow. What are you doing? Are we doing this again? They can't see that. Don't bite me. Why do you bite me when you're happy? It's really not fair. Okay, let's see what today's advent is. So, picture is a tree. And okay, that's funny. It is the same tree in a snow globe as the snow globe craft ornament, except it doesn't have the snowman. Dude, no, you can't eat puzzles. Oh, he would if he could. He is a box chewer. Although, I do think that this might be another one that I like, because this one has a lot of contrast and uniqueness to the image. So I think this is actually going to be another good one. It's just funny that they totally reused that art, and I'll have to dig that out and do a side-by-side. Yes, finally. I really like this one. It is distinct enough that I could tell where every piece was meant to go. Now, I'm not saying I demand easy puzzles, but, you know, at the level that this advent calendar should be, it should not have been so difficult to tell if pieces are in the right place. And these, like, this one has just enough going on, like snowflakes, you know, splitting puzzle pieces, so you can tell that that goes that way. Enough of the design is covering each different piece. The Nutcracker was close, but it had 6 solid white pieces, and I don't know if I ever got them going the right way. So yay, I really like this one. So even though they are different flosses, I can't really see the difference. And it should just be a thing with the light, but like, I can't really see it. Even though on the bobbins, you can totally see the difference in the bobbins, right? Like, one is shiny, one is less shiny. But they really do make the DMC floss so glossy anyway that I can't tell. I mean, I guess I almost can, but only because I'm looking for it. And I don't want a lot of difference. Like, it's a weird thing where I would actually be happy for a dye lot difference, you know? So anyway, I think what I might try is this old JMP Coats Black. Now it's, you know, pretty much the same. Oh wait, that's the shiny one. I mean, it's pretty much the same. I don't think I can actually tell a difference in color here, but I don't know. Maybe if it's just a little more matte and a little less shiny, that's the difference that I'm looking for. So I'm going to try this black and see if that helps those stripes pop a little more. Well, not on camera, of course, but I think I can almost see a difference in the stripes. I think it's going to need daylight, which of course Christmas trees are not known for being daylit, but you know, that's okay. I mean, such is the nature of parenting a void. You can't always see them. And you certainly can't always see their stripes. So is it a wasted effort? Maybe. Would I do it again? Sure. But it's not done yet. We'll see. I really hoped that I could get a finish for you today, and maybe I can still finish it today, but not before I need to finish this video and post it. So I'm gonna have to stop here. But hopefully we'll have a finish next time, and we're also going to need to shop my stash. So I'm going to be looking for the missing color, some kind of lighter, I hope it's not just gray. I hope I can find like an almost black. I feel like there should be something. I just don't know if it's still in my stash. And then, although I still don't seem to know which Garfield pattern I'm going to do, I can still shop my stash for those colors. I'm pretty sure I bought them all a while ago because I've been wanting to make one of these Garfield patterns for quite some time. So I'm pretty sure I already own them all. So we'll shop my stash tomorrow and see if we can get this guy done. I will still need to turn it into an ornament, although I don't know if I'm going to do that right away or put it off. Maybe I'll finish all of the ornaments at once. We'll see. There's like not that much, like it's stitching up quickly enough. It's just, you know, I gotta work on something else now. All right. Well, if my throat would stop being so dry, maybe I don't know. Sometimes I think tea dries my throat out even more. So I guess that's going to be it for this one. Again, ending on an unsatisfying note, but that's just how it goes, I guess. All right. See you next time. Bye.